If you are up to this video, it's because you want to connect Shopify to Cloud. Many times Shopify native reports are superficial and doesn't answer you the questions you have. It would be a lot easier if your Shopify store is connected to Cloud to help you run any analysis. And that's what we are gonna do here. By the end of this video, you're gonna learn 3 ways that you can send your Shopify data to Cloud. The first option is that you go into Shopify Admin Reports and then download any report as a CSV format. That way you can then upload that file to Cloud and start running questions to it. However, this is not automated and this will require many manual rework whenever you want to refresh the data. The second option you have is using the Porter Metrics MCP. This will allow you to connect any Shopify store that you manage and any other marketing data source such as Meta Ads, Google Ads, TikTok Ads, HubSpot to Cloud in just few clicks. To do so, you have to go into portermetrics.com, you log in or create your account. Don't worry, we have a free forever plan and you can connect not only Meta Ads, you can connect Google Ads, Shopify CRMs, many more data sources. Then you click on create, you select cloud, you select the data sources. In this case will be Shopify, and then you authorize the accounts that you want Porter to get access to. After that, we go to cloud. Right now I'm using Cloud Desktop. You click on customize, then you select connectors, you click on the plus button, you select add custom connector, you name your connector. In this case will be Porter Metrics. Then in the remote MCP server URL, you paste this URL that is in the description below and in the first comment. Then you click on add. Now you click on connect, you allow access, and then you will have to log into your email account, the same one that you used to create your account in Porter Metrics. Then you will see a message telling you that we are connected. You click on open in desktop app and you will see us as a connector. You will see in the right panel the tools that the MCP is using. By default, you will see a hand icon selected. That means that whenever the connector wants to do a request or something, it will require your approval. I suggest that you move all of those hand icons to the check mark. By doing so, you are giving permission to Cloud to run all of these tools all the time. So it's easier so you are not disturbed whenever you are doing something. Now we are connected to your cloud and now you can access to any account that you have authorized in your Porter Metrics account. So let's run a quick test. I have this prompt in this new chat. Access my Shopify stores and get the data from account E about the total orders, total sales, net sales, discounts, and returns year to date. I want to see a time series chart of the evolution of each of these metrics. I want to be able to identify the best performing products based on sales. Now let's hit enter and see what Cloud is capable of doing. The Porter Metrics MCP have started to check all the fields that are available with this connection. Perfect. So here is a dashboard that Cloud just created out of my Shopify store. It shows me the total orders, total sales, net sales, discounts. And here in this time series chart, I can see year to date how has been the evolution of each metric: orders, total sales, net sales, discounts, and returns. This is pretty useful because based on this, I can start doing more questions. There's also a chart called all metrics, monthly overview, just to have a quick comparison, and it's showing me the top products by sales. The third option that you can have to connect your Shopify data to cloud is by storing first all your Shopify data to Google BigQuery and later using the Google BigQuery connector inside cloud so you can access all of those tables. One quick thing I want to mention about the last two methods, the MCP Porter Metrics and the BigQuery, is that these two methods allow you to do cross-channel analysis. By using the Porter Metrics MCP, you are not only accessing Shopify. If you have your Google Analytics account, if you have your Meta Ads account connected, your TikTok ads, your Google Ads connected to Porter Metrics, you can access them. And if they belong to the same company, you can run cross-channel analysis in the same cloud conversation. That's pretty useful. And the same thing goes to Google BigQuery. If inside Google BigQuery you have a table for your store data, another table for your analytics data, and another one for your ads, then you can access them and start crossing the information. The only thing with the Google BigQuery method is that you need to figure out a way to send all the information from all of these marketing platforms inside of Google BigQuery. We already did a video on how you can send all of this marketing information to Google BigQuery. I suggest you go and check it out if that's the way you want to follow. After this, you can start running whatever question you have to Cloud. What is the real ROAS if you cross meta ads with Shopify? Or you can start asking for cohort analysis, lifetime value analysis, whatever you want, you can start doing it because you are already connected. So I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.